When you want content quality, here's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
So we're in Portmore today. Alright, we are bringing to you an eagerly anticipated update. So a few years ago, we brought news about this development in Portmore.
Yep.
At the time, it was being dubbed as Shooter's Hill in Portmore. That was the name of the development. At the time, also, we had information that it would have been a 1-bedroom, so 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom units would have been in that development. A few years later, there have been delays with the construction, but fast forward now, 2023.
And we now have the project actually being started. It's being constructed by Right Solutions Developers Limited, and the information that we've gotten is that there will now be 2 types of units. So there will be 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, which will be in what is called Hellshire Manor. Hellshire Manor will be the bigger
development.
The bigger section of the development.
Right.
And it's currently underway. So phase 1 is currently underway with about 101 houses already sold. And we're told that phase 1 is completely sold out.
Right. Remember, you know, we've always stressed on this channel that we showed you in the past how to navigate the website, how to get to the listing on their website, how to sign up for their newsletter.
Yeah.
All right. So that whenever time they publish further information, you would have been among those persons to be notified. So they had since been selling these units. All right, but only phase 1, that's like 101 units have been allocated to purchasers. So you have an opportunity if you have already signed up.
And we do realize that we did those videos a while back, and we realized that persons still probably did not see those videos, and so they're still not up to date on how to get, you know, basically in the groove. So we're going to do a refresher course.
Yeah.
We're going to do a refresher course on those videos.
Important, guys. If in order for you to not miss an upload, subscribe to the Delprat family channel.
Very important.
All right. Turn your not only subscribe, but turn your post notification bell on, so you don't miss an upload. So it notify you every single time we post a video. Because what happens in YouTube a lot of time, you subscribe to a channel, but they don't push the notifications to you. So only if you're scrolling, they might show you in your newsfeed, in which it's a hit or miss thing. So the best way to ensure that you don't miss an upload, hit the notification bell.
Definitely.
Right? Yeah, so now we are on what you call this again? Brayton Parkway this?
Yeah, we're on Brayton Parkway.
Yeah, man. So we're up on Brayton Parkway, guys. We're gonna show you how to get to the development. So that's where we're in Portmore right now. Right beside of the Portmore tax office and also the Sunshine Mall and Sovereign Village. Alright, so that's the tax office right there. For those of you who know Portmore. Alright, Sunshine Palace Theatre, their sign that's their sign. So see them sign right there. So alright, Sovereign Village up the road. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna now be driving to the development. So you can see what we are talking about.
Yep.
Yeah, here we go. So across the road on your right hand side, that's what they call Silverstone.
Yeah.
One of the older developments in Portmore.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
So basically, this is one of the communities, as Adrian mentioned. It is Silverstone over to the right, right in front of Sovereign Village, really. So this is one of the communities that we looked at when we were looking for homes to purchase. So we looked at the private market, we looked at home for resale, we looked at, pre-owned homes.
Yeah, like for investment purposes.
Exactly. So we were looking all around the place. We were doing research, we were doing a lot of stuff.
Scotiabank right here.
Scotiabank right here.
Yeah.
So guys, we are here basically giving you a lot of information because we wish we had those information when we were looking, alright? So remember to subscribe to our channel because we definitely keep you guys up to date and in the loop. A lot of persons have been asking me about a lot of the new developments that we have posted before, and we like from time to time to give you guys updates similar to this one. So stay tuned to our channel, okay? You know, we're always a keep, you know, whatever.
All right, so we just made a left turn right at the Scotia Bank. So we're heading now to Hellshire Road.
Yep.
You know, we're heading to Hellshire Road right now.
Yes,
Yeah.
the UTC is right over on the right here. And then we have a Texaco right at the intersection. We're going to keep straight.
Fine.
Yeah. So basically this community, Hellshire View, is poised to have 625 units.
So we are in the Brayton area right now.
Yeah.
You know, on both sides of this main road, you have Brayton. Yeah, Brayton phase 3, phase 2, and so on, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's going to be it's very interesting because we've been looking at this development for such a long time, and we've been waiting for a good couple years to see what's going to happen. And finally they've broken ground. Finally they're putting up structures, and we are going to show you guys what we can. All right. We do know that for the current units in Hellshire Manor, it's going for 17.2 million. The units in Hellshire Country Club, we are not quite sure of the pricing as yet.
Yes, they haven't announced those.
Yeah, that's not announced. Neither do we know the amount of units that will be in there quite yet. But this project is on the way, and if you want it, you literally have to sign up before they start. So they start with the phase 1. If you want in a phase 2, phase 3, I'm not sure how many phases there will be, but y'all got to really sign up from now. Go on their website, give them a call, you know, put your foot in the door, put your interest out there. A lot of the times, as we mentioned in our previous videos on housing developments, they are basically looking from their contact list. They're looking from their persons of interest, persons who have shown interest in their property. So if you don't show interest before, you're not even in their purview, right? So when they send out their letterheads, they won't send it to you. You won't be considered. So get in there, fill out the questionnaire, call the lady, make sure you know your name. Yeah.
So this road brings you to Hellshire, the famous Hellshire Beach. This is the road that takes you there. One road. Yeah, Hellshire main road. This is the only road that takes you to Hellshire. Yeah, so we are approaching the development now on your left. All right.
It's actually so funny because we are almost here. Here we are. For such a long time, this road has been like this Greenland, you know, which is known for, you know, every now and then you see a crocodile that creep out. But now it's going to have a totally different view. It's going to have a totally different view in a little while. This hillside will be populated with homes, communities, children playing, and I got to say, I think it's going to be a wonderful thing. You guys, so we're actually on the property right now. This is what it looks like. That is the road. The road is actually down. We're turning. A lot of excavation has occurred. I don't know if you guys have an idea of what the area looks like before. Very hilly. So a lot of excavation has taken place already. We are now on flat surfaces, which you know, so over here, so never did flat. And we have houses being put up over there.
Okay, so this is what the units basically be looking like. You know, a good idea just looking at it from this view that we're having. You know, it looks quite typical, you know, as what they generally have on the market these days. So vaulted ceiling.
Vaulted roofs, yes. But it's different. It has a different model. Okay, you see the vaulted roof and the patio, and it's good to actually see something going up now. It will be wonderful to see it when it's completely finished. But there's an air of excitement. I remember when we used to look at the progress going on with Phoenix Park Village. Remember, Adrian?
Yeah, man.
We used to look at the progress. So it's wonderful to see something and to basically watch it coming from nothing into something. Now, if you guys know the area, you know that, as I was saying before, it's actually a hilly terrain.
Yeah.
So if you would be so kind to show them that view, you realize that we are actually up higher, and when you look down below, you're actually seeing the foundation of the other units. Actually, you know, sectioned out right here. So it would appear, and most naturally, that you're going to have heights, you know, you're going to be moving up, getting higher and higher and higher and getting a higher view. And that's going to be a very nice thing. Yeah. Okay? That's so going to be a very nice feature of this community.
Nobody will be blocking, you know, the views of other person. So everybody will have a decent view of the scenery around, the landscaping around, you know, which is good.
Yeah, and that's very good.
The hillside of Hellshire.
Of Portmore, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hellshire.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so this is the patio.
This is the patio. This is the patio. As you can see, right? From there all the way up to where you are, Adrian. And let's have a walk inside. Let's see.
One. Most likely this will be like the living, kitchen, dining area. Back door behind you.
Yeah.
You know.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
Getting your information right, all right? So I got my phone in hand. So this unit will be 2 bed, 1 bath, and it will be 780 square feet.
Yes.
And this is the Hellshire Manor unit. So over this side, I would assume, would be the 2 bedrooms and the 1 bath. So this is the bath right here, and this is bedroom number 1.
Yes, quite sizable. When you compare this development or the units here to even, for example, Phoenix Park Village. Phoenix Park Village have various unit sizes, but the most popular unit size that you'll be having in Phoenix Park Village 2 is a 680, thereabout, square foot units. And so this is bigger. This is actually bigger.
Yeah.
You know, there'll be other larger units in Phoenix Park Village as well, but the predominant one for Phoenix Park Village 2 is those units below 700 square feet. So, as I say, this is slightly bigger. So you're getting a bigger unit here at Hellshire Manor. You know?
And remember, Hellshire Country Club is a totally different section, and that has not started yet from our information, from our knowledge, and that the price for that also is not stated. But what we do know about that is that it will be a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and it will be 1,300 square feet. So
huge. That's huge. Massive. That's massive. We make it sound so like a something normal. 1,300 square foot a whole heap, you know.
It's going to be a lot bigger than this one.
Guys, pardon her. You know, 1,300 square feet. That's like a premium kind of development. They haven't disclosed the prices yet for what they call Hellshire Country Club.
Hellshire Country Club, but they have
the price will be on the higher end. We expect it's probably in the 20s, close to 30.
Definitely.
You know, or even more, probably even more. You know.
Yeah.
It could probably, because the square footage, 1,300 square feet is quite sizable.
And the amenities are different from Hellshire Manor. So though it's under the caption Hellshire View, Hellshire Manor amenities is that it is a gated community. You will have your jogging trail. You'll have your children play area. That's the amenity. What we have seen for the Hellshire Country Club, the amenities will be a swimming pool, it will be a jogging trail, it will be a multi-purpose court, it will be football field, it will be children play areas, it will be, you know, the whole wheel. Over here, so you get a wheel over the Hellshire Country Club, you get the whole car. Alright? So, think about it in that perspective. But yeah, I mean, when I can't say, we're not bringing you the updates, you know, when I can't say, we're not telling you what's been going on. Y'all can't say too that we didn't tell you this from years ago. So if you were really serious, when we would have said from years ago that this is coming up, y'all would have been on HAJ website, y'all would have been pripsing every single month, every single year.
And signing up for the newsletters.
Yep. Y'all would have been educated before we even come back to you with this update, you would have known already. So if you guys are really following up on the Del Pride Family channel, we're no good.
All right, so This is the bathroom, the solitary bathroom here in this unit. The toilet, this will be the toilet. The shower will be here. All right, so just like the shower drain, so you can have an idea of how the place is laid out. All right, you're gonna have a wall plug on the wall right here as well, so you have a good idea of, you know, how things will be shaping up. The vanity will be in the corner right there. As I said, the toilet will be here, and then the shower is right here. Not quite sure what kind of enclosure they'll be having inside here, you know, whether it be like a shower curtain or the glass or whatever. Not quite sure yet, but stay tuned, you know. So they have these precast frames that they put up, and then they pour the concrete inside. When the concrete's dry, then they pull it down and they set the other ones in motion. So the foundation for the other units, some other units, as Cass mentioned before, are already done. So as soon as these are completed, they're gonna move on, you know? Yes, they're gonna move on.
We are almost at 50K. We are almost at 50K. Y'all took a long time to get us at 50K, all right? But we are definitely thankful, we're grateful, so thank you to all our subscribers who have carried us thus far throughout the years, who have been watching our videos, you know, getting this amazing content, and to inspiring this amazing content. Now, we need to get to 50, and we need to get to 100. So guys, look on your phone, look on your tablet, look on your TV, subscribe to the Del Pratt family. Y'all can't say we don't give you good stuff. We give you good stuff, all right? Turn on your post notification bell. That's the one with the dancing icon at the side. And remember, you're getting good content. Give us the support. And when you watch our videos, give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much for those who have been supporting our content and those who have seen us on the road and say, yo, I really love your content. I've been watching it all the time. I saw one of our subscribers yesterday, Adrian, in the supermarket, and she was like, yo, I watch your videos all the time for years. Like, big up on yourself. So a lot of our subscribers have been watching our channel for such a long time, even before Kyrie was born.
Yeah,
you know?
Man, you know, in recent times we've seen quite a number of subscribers, and they'll be saying, you know, we're following your journey from before that time, you know. It makes us humbled, you know, so
definitely. Thanks
for subscribing. All right, road to 50K.
Yes,
you know, we're very close right now, you know.
And thanks for inspiring our content, because you guys do play a major part into what we produce on the Del Pratt Family channel. So, subscribe and share our content, share our videos, share videos with people who you care about, with people who you think might do well with the information.
So remember, check out the HAJ website. We're gonna be putting a link to this particular development in the description box. So sign up, that you'll be notified whenever these, you know, they'll be going live for sale. All right. As we stated before, the first 101 units are already allocated. Yeah. So put yourself in line to be allocated unit 102. All right. Yeah, man. The housing market, it doesn't look like it'll be going down anytime soon. You know, so the longer you wait, the more expensive units will be, right? So get on board, get on board. These units like these are selling for 17 million right now. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, a unit like this you could have gotten for under 10 million. So get on board, get on board.